Good day, eh? And welcome to Let's Cook Something, a Canadian cooking show for people that are not Canadian. I'm Carl, and this is my son, Carl.
G'day, eh?
G'day, eh? So today, the Scouts wanted us to make some pancakes, eh? So we're going to make some pancakes for the Scouts and show the Scouts how to make pancakes. Now, not those pancakes like you make over there in the UK, eh? This is going to be like proper Canadian pancakes, eh? They're big, fluffy, you know, like good pancakes. Not those things like the crepe things you make over there. These are Canadian pancakes. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's have a look at our ingredients, Carl. We'll put these up so you can read them, eh? You get those eggs out. We need one big egg. A big egg. All right, so these are the brown eggs, eh? And this one's kind of little, but you know, we can make do. So you need a big egg or a little one. Now these are brown eggs. We don't get them brown eggs over in Canada, eh? Like the brown eggs, they're like the rooster eggs, eh? They're not. These eggs got boy chickens in them, eh? So it's not like the kind we have in Canada, eh? The kind in Canada they're white eggs, but we'll make do, eh? All right, Carl, let's crack that egg in there. No, in the bowl, eh? All right, let's get those eggs cracking. That little egg. All right, next we need some milk, eh? So we need 3/4 of a cup, eh? Now, if you're using those, them French measurements, that's probably about 180 milliliters. So while Carl pours up the milk, eh? Okay, Carl, good job. So you can dump that in with the egg. And next we need 1 cup of flour. That's 1 cup. 1 cup of flour. So I'm gonna have to take off, eh? So my cousin Carl, he's going to join us. He's from Newfoundland.
Newfoundland.
Yeah, I can't say that. So he's gonna come and he's gonna join in and help you out. So he told me, like before we got started here, that we need to boil some water and get some things. I don't know what this is, but I'll get it ready for him. Okay, 1 cup of flour goes in there, Carl, and we need 1 tablespoon of sugar, eh? So this is the tablespoon. Tablespoon's the big one, and the teaspoon's the little one, eh? This is the one you make your tea with. It's the teaspoons, the little one, the big one. That's tablespoon. Like that's the one you have at the table when you're having soup, eh? We have 1 tablespoon of sugar, eh? Okay, so here we have, we've got a Canadian quarter, eh? And on the Canadian quarter, that's caribou, eh? That's caribou on the Canadian quarter. That's 25-cent piece. And we put that in. And this one's called a loonie, eh? This one's called a loonie. Yeah, put it in, Carl. Okay, so after that, no, man, it's a tablespoon, Carl. Now we need to figure out how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon. I have no idea, eh? So like, just put in a tablespoon, full tablespoon. It doesn't matter if it's too sweet, eh? So this coin here, this is a Canadian coin too, eh? That's a $1 coin. It's called a loonie because it's got a loon on it, eh? So we'll put that in here, and this one here is called. This one's called a dime, eh? It's got the blue nose. That's a sailing ship that beat all the American sailing ships. It's called the blue nose, eh? All right, we'll put that one in there. On the other side of all our money, it's got the queen too, eh? Same as you guys. It's got the queen. And he said a button, so I got a button and a nail. I don't know what that's for. A nail and a ring, eh? So we've got all those things, eh? And we'll just put them in. And he said to pour boiling water on, eh? Okay. All right, so what's up next, Carl? What do we got? We got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now this vegetable oil is, we already used this to make chips, eh? So it's probably going to like make our pancakes taste like chips. That's probably okay. All right, eh? Let's get another one of those in there. All right, so that's 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We need 3 teaspoons of baking powder, eh? Now this is where you guys mess up on the pancakes, eh? You got to have lots of baking powder. Makes them fluffy. Now while Carl's doing that, I'm going to turn on the frying pan because you need your frying pan hot. And we'll get that going. Let's get that baking powder in there because the baking powder is the main thing that you guys miss, eh? It's the thing that makes it all fluffy. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, half a teaspoon of salt. Get that in there. Yeah, you can mix that in real good. All right, so while Carl's mixing that in, I'm going to go watch the hockey game, eh?
Hey, Carl, boy, what are you at? Oh, Carl, how's it going, eh?
What are you at, boys? How's she going? What's going on? All right, this is I'm gonna take over now because Carl's in watching the hockey game, right? So Carl got them all cleaned up here, right? Now how's that pan going there, Carl? That's going pretty good, boy. Now we probably should put some grease onto her, right? Yeah, there you go. Come over closer to the pan so you don't drool all over the place. All right, Carl's going to drop in the first load of pancake juice. There you go, that's good, boy. All right. Now what you want to do, oh, that's still a bit hot. See, these are all cleaned up now. See, on Pancake Day, he puts money and stuff into the pancakes, right? Make sure it goes into the middle because you don't want you want to be able to find it, right? And it covers over. Now, see, when you get, everyone gets a different thing in their pancake, right? So if you get the money, well, that means you're gonna be rich. She's not ready to flip, but I'm gonna go. Oh, there you go, Lord. That's the color you want, sir. Right? Now, see the. You can see the loony on there. Can't be giving people pancakes, not telling them there's a nail into it, right? Now the nail, he puts the nail in because whoever gets the nail is going to be the carpenter. That one's not quite done there, Carl. Yep, Pancake Day, we have some feed of pancakes. Oh, she's getting a bit burned, Carl. I think we need another drop of milk in that. We're almost out of pancake juice, look. See, that's what you want. Something like that, right? So he goes in. All right, let's put the wedding band in this one. Yep. Oh, she's getting a bit burned up there, eh? That one's a bit burned up. I think it's too hot. Turn her down a little bit. Cheers, bud. Is there even enough room to get the button in there, Carl? So whoever gets the button is going to be the old maid. Let me try one. See, that means that we're getting married. Here we go. There we go. See? That's what you want. Nice round one. Now you see them bubbles? That's what you want, see? You want them bubbles coming up like that. Oh, forgot to put money in. There you go, that's the dime I put in there. Now you watch them bubbles. When them bubbles burst, and they stays burst, see how they're going back together? When they burst and they stays open, that's how you know when to flip her over. There we go. All right, let's scoop it all in this time, eh? Last one. All right, Carl, you want to put the quarter in? Put it right in the middle now so we know where's to. There we go. Perfect. There we go, gone. There it is, gone. Scrape round the edge there. Now see if you can see if she's done. I don't think she's ready to flip yet. What do you think? Oh, pretty good there, buddy. Not bad, boy. Not bad. Not bad at all. Well, we're going to have some scoff now at once, aren't we? Big scoff of pancakes. All done? All right, that's our last pancake. Any good or what? Dig in the middle here. I got the nail. I got the nail, eh?
Well, what do you think, boy? It's a good job I got the nail.
That means I'm going to be a carpenter, eh?
They're not bad, are they?
No, sir. No, we did a good job on them pancakes. Yep. Well, happy pancake day, everybody.
Happy Pancake Day,
Happy
everybody.
Pancake Day. Happy Pancake Day, Carl. Happy Pancake Day, Carl. Yes, sir. Well, I hope you enjoyed our Pancake Day.
Good day.
And good luck to all of you now making pancakes in the future. Now that you knows how, get out and enjoy your pancakes.